So right now we'll be reviewing a dashcam from 70mi. Before natin i-unbox and tignan yung mga features, also we'll be showing you installation. Before that, ano ba yung dashcam? Para saan ba yun?
Okay, dashcam is actually, you can call it parang onboard dashboard camera. I guess that's how you call it. Dashcam is basically a camera na ilalagay mo sa dashboard mo dapat. On a point sa sasakyan mo para makita niya yung dinadaanan mo. There's lots of brands who pioneered the dashcam. Actually, nagkakaroon na ng need for a dashcam kasi let's face it, this world we live in right now, medyo
Kamote.
yeah, kamote. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari at ang daming nangyayari. We've seen videos everywhere in Facebook, YouTube, everywhere else. And the only way to protect yourself is, of course, to have a parang God's eye view. Someone na makikita niya, marirecord yung nangyayari. So, if something should happen, knock on wood, or something, meron kayong pagbabasihan, like a collision or something, tapos sasabihin ng kotse sa harap mo, hindi, fault mo yun. Kasi ginawa mo itong ganyan. Tapos ikaw parang, hindi ganito yung ginawa ko eh. So, right now, you have proof. And this is real time, everything is recorded, and you can always go back to it. And then on another mga videos naman, enforcers sometimes, mga traffic enforcers, unfortunately some of them, bigla na lang, there's some tricky traffic lights here in Manila, na bigla nag-switch yung from green, biglang yellow-red. Tapos parang ikaw, gano'n na. So, diba? So, at least you have proof to show them na, no sir, I wasn't doing this, I wasn't doing that. Ito yung ganito siya, I have a dashcam, let's review it. Diba? Ganyan. Something you can replay and pwede rin post online, I guess. Which is happening right now most of the time. It's for the protection of you as a driver, your passengers, and I guess people outside. If something happens ahead of you, makikita nyo ano yung nangyari. And then you have this video to catch what happened.
Some may be wondering, some people buy a dashcam if they buy a new car. Dapat ba, parang meron bang best time? Kasi some may be thinking na, ang tagal ko nang nagda-drive, bakit ko kailangan ng dashcam? Nasa driver's experience ba yun? Pag newbie ka, kailangan may dashcam ka or something?
Ako, if you ask me, the best time to get a webcam tuloy, sorry.
Meron na tayo na.
Sorry. The best time to get a dashcam is actually now, if you ask me. Let's put things into perspective, okay? Right now, pandemic tayo. So, for the longest time, lahat tayo na stagnant. Most of the people, they don't leave the house. They never left the house. And then right now, the economy is starting to pick up again. Restrictions are opening up. So, some people are starting to drive again. So, after months, years na nakatenga lang sila, suddenly they start driving. Driving is a skill eh, okay? It's a muscle memory, it's a skill. Kailangan nag-iisip ka, ang daming nangyayari eh. I guess, naging tanga lahat tayo mag-drive. Kasi walang exposure.
Wala nang practice.
Ayun. So, now's the best time to get one. So, at least,
May guardian angel.
may guardian angel ka. Yun.
We'll unbox this dashcam that we got. So this is, hindi ko alam paano yung pronounce yung name eh. Parang 70mi ba siya? Or Zoomai? Showmai? Hindi ko alam. So ayun. It says here, outside of the box lang, we'll read yung mga descriptions niya. So it says na meron siyang 2.7K Ultra HD video, app-enabled, dual channel recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Check out natin. Made in China, of course. Okay. So yun siya. First time ko mag-unbox ng dashcam. Mayroon pala siyang mga parang iPhone na may ganito mga.
I think 70mi or Zoomai is it's like a sub-brand or mother company yata niya is Xiaomi.
Okay, so Xiaomi.
Yeah, so alam mo naman yung quality niya. It's still hit or miss pero so far it's okay.
Ayan. So inside you have the actual dashcam. Ayan. I think wires na yung nandito. Yeah, sige. We'll walk you through naman yung installation later para nyo makita ano pa yung mga kasama dito.
For those asking, this model is the A500S S model. Ito na yung upgraded version niya. The one I had, or rather the one I have in my car is yung earlier version niya, yung A500. Na only difference ng dalawa is this one has a built-in GPS module already. The older one has you have to get the different GPS module para gumana yung ADAS na function. This one is, everything is built in. It's actually practically the same camera, dashcam, but upgraded lang ng konti. So, installing this, ang inisip kasi namin is that, number one, you have to install this sa windshield mo, so to have a view of what's happening in front. And then at the same time, you also have to wire it. So, it comes with a really long wire, couple of meters. What we're planning is, we can't install this here sa ilalim kasi matatakpan yung yung RFID. We don't want to install it here kasi baka matakpan yung driver naman. It will be a little bit of an obstruction. And then medyo makikita mo yung screen, baka it's a little bit annoying. Probably installing it somewhere here. This way, it will be somewhere in the middle. At the same time, hindi siya naka-obstruct. And then anytime naman, pwede mo naman siyang kunin, yung unit, and then tinker with it if you need it. And then you can just hook it back. It's easy to attach, to remove and reattach naman. So, madali lang siya. Ito yung plano namin from here. We'll be making a wire, travel it through here, tapos gagapang siya, all the way until dito sa power source na pwede. The closest power source we have. Because, of course, you need source for this. Of course, we also need a memory card. We have one right here. This one is it's good enough. It's not the top tier ng SanDisk, but this one is original. This one is yung 10. Mabilis na siya. More than enough. Okay. Anyway, this has a function of auto delete. So if you have videos from the past na hindi naman kailangan, it will delete it automatically to make room for new ones. So wala na siya yung sa 3210 natin na no space for new messages.
Bruh.
Yeah.
At saka ako na wala akong alam sa dashcam. Akala ko dati kailangan mo i-delete every ride or nire-record niya. Meron palang auto-delete feature.
Yeah, meron siyang auto-delete.
So hindi naman lahat nire-record. I mean, syempre if...
Hindi, lahat i-record
niya.
niya. Even this one has a 24/7 na parking na if it feels any movement sa sasakyan, even if it's parked, as long as it has battery, it will record. Okay. This also has a function na collision detection na let's say parang nagkaroon ng malakas na impact or malakas na G. Let's say nadaan na hindi mo napansin yung humps, tapos dumire-diretso ka doon, boom, gumanon. Automatic record siya. It will record it as a special clip na collision recording. Ganun siya. And then the ADAS function, basically what it does is it's a advanced driver assist system. Yun. Advanced driver assist system, something like that. So what happens is when you're driving, nandun siya sa screen, madedetect ni dashcam, magsasalita rin siya na there's lane departure, there's possible collision in front, and then nadedetect rin niya with the GPS function. Sa video mo, makikita niya yung location and yung speed mo. So everything is there. So medyo kompleto yung details niya. Okay, so inside, nandito yung wirings niya, extra long wires for the wiring ng dashcam. You just have to take note of this L-shaped na micro USB because objective niya is papasok siya dito. So at least you know how to wire it. So nakaganyan siya. Okay? And then again, yung cable, we'll try to keep it as simple as possible, as hidden as possible. So dito natin siya padadaanin. And then to tuck in the wires, it also includes yung parang pusher.
Uy, okay yan to.
Wire pusher.
Oo nga.
Ay, shit, pusher.
Nice.
So ito yung attachment niya. Yan siya. So this is the one you attach here. So sa glass, kunyari. So you just attach this here. And that's it. So if you have to take it out, ganun lang din. So ang dali, di ba? Parang anytime you can get this unit. This has a built-in battery naman. Oh yeah, ito pa pala. Hindi na natin magagamit, pero it has a power source. Dalawa siya.
No need to buy na pala.
No need to buy because this, at least for this car, meron na siyang specific na USB power input. Actually, not bad. 2.4 siya. Maximum of 3.4 amps. So not bad actually. You can also use this for your phone. This isn't included, pero we also got this one for, it's like a mini clamp. So that's what we'll be doing right now. Attach namin to, tapos.
Iwas kamote!
Okay, so this is the package. Ito yung parang anti-static na sticker. You have to attach this first, and then yung pinakita namin kanina. So everything is here. Yeah, it has English. So this one's the global version pala. Other 70 my products kasi pure Chinese lang siya eh. Yeah, that's it. English is on the first few pages. At least alam mo lang, dito yung camera, dito yung indicator, microphone. Yeah, it also has a microphone, so it also records your voice. So yun yung kinaganda nun. Unlike other dashcams na wala. What we showed you earlier, nandyan na rin siya. Oh. Yan yung electrostatic sticker, yung memory card, yung installing the mounting the dashcam, connecting power supply, which we will be doing, and then adjust yung camera angle niya. Accessories. It has an accessory na parang 24/7, nagre-record siya the whole time. It's a special wiring na you put in sa fuse ng sasakyan mo, and it will get its power from the battery directly. So pwede rin yun if kailangan talagang 24/7 naka-monitor yung sasakyan mo. Yun. There you go. Let's put this here. Safeguard your journey every day. Safeguard your journey every day. So right now, we've successfully installed the dash cam. It's specifically in this position para hindi siya obstruction dun sa viewer, sa driver, and then tago siya, and then sa design kasi ng dashcam, the camera is here eh. So you wanted to put it as centered as possible, and I think this is the best position. Wherein hindi siya makakasira ng mga sensors din ng car, and then itong hindi rin tumaharangan itong RFID. Now, that said, after everything is installed here, I do suggest na you do install this first para at least kita mo yung angle, tama yung location niya. And then after that, that's the time you try tracing the wires. So what we did, we had some clamps or wire talkers. Tago sa dito, I hid it here. Normally, newer cars, meron na silang parang slot dito for the dashcam eh. And then, I hid them all here. Here. Tapos tinago ko siya dito sa mga weather strips sa gilid, so you don't see it at all. And then, underneath, finally, ikot siya dito sa ilalim ng glove compartment. And then finally, there. Perfect.